Okay, so this is Nasdaq futures contract March 2026. क्या हो सकता है आज? We will talk about it. As you can see, मैं क्रैकन कोलिशंस पे भी ट्रेड करता हूँ, so let's bring in ES, NQ and Nasdaq. So right now, currently, I'm looking at three different charts. One is ES, another is NQ, and another is Dow. Okay, whenever you're looking at the charts, you need to see how the correlating asset class is behaving. Okay, तो जैसा कि हम लोग देख रहे हैं, previous month का low Nasdaq ने नहीं लिया है. At the same time, if you'll see like this, previous month का low ES ने ले लिया है. Okay, तो अब हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? डे ऑफ द वीक. अब हमें देखना होगा डे ऑफ द वीक और प्रीवियस डे क्या किया है. सो हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि प्रीवियस डे जो है ES और NQ दोनों में अगर आप देख रहे होगे तो प्रीवियस डे दोनों में क्या किया है. प्राइस जैसा कि देख रहे हो अभी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है, क्योंकि एक बुलिश कैंडल बन रहा है, एक बेरिश कैंडल, एक बुलिश कैंडल, एक बेरिश कैंडल. तो ऐसे डायलेमा में नहीं जाना है कि ऐसा ही होते रहेगा. यू हैव टू लुक एट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो. सो प्राइस ने इस लो को स्वीप किया है, इसमें इस लो को स्वीप नहीं किया है, दैट इज एन SMT. एंड ट्यूसडे ऑलरेडी लो ऑफ द वीक मुझे लगता है फॉर्म कर दिया है. वेडनेसडे वाज एन एक्सपेंशन एंड देन न्यूयॉर्क, आई मीन Thursday, suddenly came down all the way down into the discount of the newly formed range. We will look into the range, which range I'm talking about. And then price formed a good wick to the upside, and eventually I was expecting yesterday to form an expansion from this fair value gaps. And these 6 hour fair value gaps I was looking at price to expand, but yeah, it didn't, and that's not always the case. So then I saw that price was in premium, but not always you can expect that every swing low and every swing high, whenever it forms, you will expect price to retrace into the discount and then you will see expansion. That doesn't always work like that, but I was expecting price to move higher from this area only, but it didn't. And price came to the discount of the newly formed range. I was talking about this one. And yeah, price is still respecting this range I was talking about. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this range, and price ने नीचे आते वक्त ये जो favorable gap है, price disrespected this favorable gap, but it also hadn't shown any willingness to go onto the downside. It just get into the, I mean, goes into the deep discount and rejected from this rejection block, or else we call it wick. And yeah, it start moving higher. So the bias still hadn't changed from my side, because NQ अभी भी respect कर रहा है. It is still respecting this 6 hour fair value gap, but yes, as it's not too much stronger to the upside, it came into the deep discount, and again it formed an expansion onto the 1 hour time frame, forming fair value gaps, showing willingness to go higher. But we will see how NFP reacts today, and then we will see what price will do. Expecting higher prices still.